With tighter budgets, growing traffic, and a surge in advanced driver assistance system, equipped self-driving and autonomous vehicles, the pressure to maintain precise, high-quality infrastructure and transportation assets has never been greater. iNET Asset Guardian answers that challenge. Part of Parsons' iNET Smart Mobility Platform, iNET Asset Guardian is a comprehensive system designed to optimize roadway maintenance and operations by enabling smarter asset management. Using vehicle sensor data, AI, and GIS spatial technology, this revolutionary solution detects asset conditions and pinpoints defects across the full transportation network by delivering near real-time insights into infrastructure health. iNET Asset Guardian streamlines maintenance workflows, enhances safety, and enables proactive, data-driven infrastructure management. With high-frequency asset condition monitoring, AI-powered asset cataloging, and automated work order generation, iNET Asset Guardian provides unprecedented situational awareness for infrastructure owners. Asset owners no longer need to rely on reactive maintenance strategies, as iNET Asset Guardian provides key metrics that empower decision-makers to make informed, data-driven choices. This enhances asset management practices, extends infrastructure lifespans, promotes safer transportation networks, and reduces long-term costs. Communities depend on well-managed infrastructure and transportation assets. For that, the agencies that serve those communities can depend on iNET Asset Guardian.